Option Samurai versus Barchart. Which options tool is best? Choosing the right options trading platform can significantly impact how efficiently you find opportunities, analyze trades, and manage your strategy. Option Samurai and Barchart are two well-regarded tools in the options trading space, each designed with a different kind of user in mind. Option Samurai focuses on advanced options tanning and strategy filtering, while Barchart offers a broader market data platform with solid options coverage built in. This comparison breaks down how each tool works so you can choose the one that best fits your trading approach. Option Samurai is a dedicated options scanning and analysis platform built for traders who want to find high probability setups quickly and efficiently. Its powerful screener allows users to filter options by a wide range of criteria, including implied volatility, Greeks, liquidity, and strategy type, making it easy to surface trades that match specific parameters. The platform supports a variety of option strategies and provides built-in tools to help traders assess risk and reward before entering a position. Option Samurai also includes backtesting features and curated scans that are particularly useful for traders still developing their approach. The interface is clean and purpose-built for options, which keeps the experience focused and avoids unnecessary clutter. It truly shines for traders who want a streamlined, options-first workflow with serious filtering power. Option Samurai is best suited for active options traders, income strategy specialists, and anyone who wants a dedicated tool built specifically around finding and evaluating options trades. Barchart is a comprehensive financial data platform that covers stocks, futures, forex, and commodities alongside its options tools, giving users a wide market view from a single destination. Its options section includes a solid screener, unusual options activity tracking, implied volatility data, and detailed options chains that make it a useful resource for traders who want context beyond just the options market. The platform offers both free and premium tiers, with the free version being surprisingly capable for casual or part-time options traders. Barchart also provides news, analyst ratings, and charting tools that complement its options data and give traders a fuller picture of any given underlying. Its broad scope makes it a valuable research hub even beyond options trading. Barchart is best suited for traders and investors who want a wide-ranging data platform that covers options as part of a larger market research workflow rather than a pure options-focused tool. Feature comparison. Option Samurai and Barchart both deliver useful options tools, but they serve different kinds of traders. Option Samurai is best suited for active options traders who want deep scanning capabilities and a platform built entirely around finding and structuring options trades. Barchart stands out for users who want a broader market data platform that includes solid options coverage alongside equities, futures, and other asset classes. Each tool excels depending on whether your priority is option-specific depth or broad market versatility. Final thoughts. If you want a powerful options-first platform designed to help you find and filter trades based on strategy, volatility, and risk parameters, Option Samurai is a strong choice. If your goal is to research markets broadly and use options as one part of a wider trading or investing workflow, Barchart offers a versatile and cost-effective solution. The best tool ultimately depends on whether you prioritize dedicated options scanning or an all-in-one market data experience.